Hey everyone, Bill Davis, broker owner of Active Adults Realty. I have some incredible news for anyone dreaming of the ultimate Delaware beach lifestyle. Shell Brothers has just pulled back the curtain on their newest community, and it's a total game changer for downtown Lewis. It's called White's Pond Preserve. Now, when I say exclusive, I mean it. This community is tucked right into the heart of downtown Lewis and is limited to just 13 home sites. Imagine living in a local's dream where you have direct access to the Breakwater Junction Trail. You can literally hop on your bike or take a stroll to be at the beach. Your favorite local shops or those famous Lewis restaurants in minutes. Reservations are going to go open up very soon, and because this is such a limited release, they're going to go fast. If you want to be the first to see the floor plan lineup and get the initial pricing, you need to become a VIP right now. Don't navigate this alone. Our amazing top-notch real estate lifestyle consultants are ready to help you secure your spot in this gorgeous preserve. Visit our website or contact us today to get on the list. Find your dream home, live your dream lifestyle. We'll see you in Lewis. Thanks. Bye.